How to solve WhatsApp storage full problem on your mobile phone. What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily solve WhatsApp storage full problem on your mobile phone. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application. Then once you open it up, you need to go over to the top right corner on the three dot and then go to settings. From here, find storage and data, and it will show you all of your storage on WhatsApp. So tap on manage storage, and from your different chats and channels, it will show you your available storage. Mine's not that much, it's around 50 megabytes, but if you have a lot of photos and videos stored in your chats, you can just go to that chat, long press on it, or just tap on select all at the top right, and then tap on delete again, and it will be cleared out of your chats. And it's as easy as that. You can do this to all of your chats and delete unnecessary photos and videos, and you'll be good to go. That's pretty much it guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.